Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build savings for travel with Travel Bank, full guide step by step clearly. To build savings for travel with Travel Bank, start by creating a dedicated savings account. Research different savings accounts to find one that offers the best interest rates and low fees. Consider using a high-yield savings account for better returns on your deposits. Once you've chosen an account, set a realistic savings goal based on your desired travel destinations and expenses. Break down your total travel cost into manageable monthly savings targets. Automate your savings by setting up a direct deposit from your paycheck into your travel savings account. Make a budget to identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Track your expenses for a month to see where your money is going. Look for subscriptions or services you can cancel or reduce to increase your savings. Consider picking up a side gig or freelance work to boost your income. Use cashback apps and rewards programs to earn money back on purchases you already make. Each time you receive unexpected money, such as a tax refund or bonus, consider putting a portion into your travel savings. Stay motivated by visualizing your travel goals. Create a travel vision board to keep your aspirations in sight. Research travel deals and discounts to determine how much you'll need to save. Host travel-themed dinners or events to share your ambitions with friends and gain support. Regularly review your budget and savings goals to stay on track. Adjust your strategies if you're not meeting your savings targets. Celebrate small milestones along the way to keep your enthusiasm high. Once you reach your savings goal, start planning your travel itinerary. Remember to factor in expenses like accommodation, food, and activities in your budget. Make use of apps designed for tracking travel expenses to help manage your funds. As you prepare for your trip, ensure you have a Travel Bank card for easy access to your funds. Utilize your savings effectively to enjoy your travels without financial stress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.